Welcome to my new video. Here with me is an iPhone 7G that keeps restarting itself and does not come on. As you can see in the video, the iPhone, I just powered it on, but what is going to happen is that the iPhone will keep restarting and it's not going to come on. Even if I plug it on charge, it still does not come on. It just keeps restarting itself again and again. So you are going to see what is the problem of this iPhone that makes it to keep restarting itself again and again, and you are going to see the solution also. But this method does not work for all iPhone. Not all iPhone 7G that restarts have this same problem. Some the problem is on the motherboard. Some the problem is what I'm about to show you. Others can be, so the problems can differ. So I'm going to disconnect the front camera that connects the receiver speaker and the phone camera, and then I'll connect the battery again and power on the iPhone, and you'll see it's going to work perfectly. It's going to come on now. So let's be patient while it comes on. As you can see, it's now working perfectly. So the front camera, that front camera FPC was what was disturbing the phone from not turning on properly. That's what was making the phone to be restarting itself over and over again. So as I disconnected it, the phone came on properly. So what I'm going to do is to go ahead and replace that phone camera, which also connects the receiver speaker. I will go ahead and replace it. So I am done replacing the nap to the receiver's speaker and the main camera. Now I am mounting the phone, and you are going to see how it works properly after I have replaced this um, phone camera nap. So as I said earlier, this is not a solution for all cases. Some cases are the motherboard that's the issue, some are the battery. So you are going to troubleshoot it in order to find out. So guys, if it worked for you, please like, leave a comment, share and subscribe for more videos like this, because more is coming. And also, so you can see it's working perfectly. It's working perfectly. So guys, thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.